The thing about Chinese food, in my belief, is that it's great things made out of humble ingredients.
And you'll find plenty of great things at East Wind Snack Shop in Windsor Terrace. Chef Chris Cheung's small restaurant pays tribute to his childhood in Chinatown.
I grew up in my grandmother's house on Mott Street. She cooked on this little 4-burner stove in a tenement, and I'm thinking, that's how this is. We do so much cooking, and it's like a little 4-burner stove area. I could see my grandmother cooking there.
The specialty here is dumplings. Fresh, delicious dumplings.
We do our own dough. We make it every day. We form the dumplings from scratch, and we cook every dumpling to order. Forming and folding of the dumplings is therapeutic. So, with running a restaurant in New York City and all the things that come along with it, when you're just standing there and have to fold the dumplings, it kind of gets you through sometimes tough parts of the day.
So, Chef, what do we have here?
So you have the shrimp hagao, and basically that means shrimp dumpling in Chinese. It's hand-chopped shrimp, some bamboo shoots. I wanted a crispy, crunchy texture to it, so I imparted a lattice crust and I drizzled some abalone sauce on top of it, and that's what we serve here.
Another favorite, the aged beef pot stickers.
They are definitely unique due to the fact that we source really good dry-aged steak that's ground for our fillings, and it just presents itself in a really rich, funky, juicy dumpling that is unlike anything that you've ever eaten.
And vegetarians will love the Shanghai vegetable dumplings.
And we drizzle this ginger-scallion dressing on top of it, and then we put a crunchy mix of sesame seeds and fried garlic and fried shallot. It's really good.
But before we could sample the goods, Chris put me to work.
We're gonna roll some dumplings and fold some dumplings. Take a nugget.
Okay.
All right. Roll it into a ball into the palm of your hand. Flatten it with your hand. Take the rolling pin and you put it in the middle of the skin and you press down. You want to roll the edges of the dumpling.
How am I doing so far, Chef?
You're doing great. You take a little bit of filling, press it down. You don't want any air pockets. Pinch.
Ooh, this is where I think you lost me.
And then what you have is a dumpling.
That is a beautiful dumpling.
Yeah.
This one, I think we can discard.
Then finally, we got to dig in.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Lots of great vegetables, crunchy texture.
The crunch.
Lots of things going on with that crunch. Yep.
This is amazing.
An amazing tribute to his Chinatown upbringing and his grandma's influence.
I love my grandmother so much. I would hope that she would be proud, and I would hope that she would love the food I would cook. I'd like to think that she would, for sure.
For The Dish, I'm Carrie Drew.